So when you dance, your dance look more clean, your steps look more clean. So what does it mean? So if you take a look at the step, if I stay sideways to you guys, so if I walk from here forward, so the length of this walk is from where my right foot stands to where my foot landing. So it's pretty long distance. So when you dance, you would never want to think that you step from this point to this point. So, so there is no point A, point B. This is point A, point B. So that's not a good way to think. Always think this is point A. Always go to collecting point B, and then you're going to point C. So it's 3 points, and this in between is the key position. Is very, very important position, this one. Collecting where two bones touching. So for example, if I want an example of Rumba walk, how you to understand this technique, if I would like to step forward, besides we don't talk about body actions right now, only about foot actions. So from here, I always do this. I collect my legs first, then I walk. I collect my legs first, then I walk. So we have a collect, walk, collect, walk. Never just walk right away. Always collect, walk. So try from different angle. So here, collect, walk, collect, walk, collect, walk. And if you would like to create a little bit more speed in your step, you never go fast from here to here or from here. This is the worst. If you try from here, step very fast there, it's make body very tense. There is no body action. There's a lot of not very good things. So if you would like to make something super, super fast, you can go from here to here fast, like using a hip action, rotation. But from here, you still want to step quite gentle, using the beautiful knee action. Go fast, then slow, fast, slow. So the collect moment could be pretty fast or slow, but the stepping is always slower. So now the same technique for the backwards apply. So if I'm on the backward walk, 2 knees straight, we would never want to go just back. We always want to go collect, step, collect, step. Collect on the high toe position, 2 ankle bones touching, step, collect, step. Now let's take, for example, basic Rumba walk. You would always go collect here, then go backward, replace. Now, if I would like go side, you don't want to go here. You would always want to go to collecting point, then side. Like I want to go forward, never step forward right away. You always go to collect points in between. So that's what happens in between. That's where your all actions will happen. Then you walk. And 3, collect, step, collect, step, collect, step. So for example, if you have a crab walk and you want to go side forward, how to do it? Of course, you don't want to just step directly this way. It's not very beautiful, not very elegant, not much body actions there. So like if from here I would like to step forward there, I would always collect my feet, then I would step forward. Collect, step forward. Collect, step forward. Collect, step forward. And with music, of course, with music of flow, it's happened very fast. You don't want to be stopping there, but you still want to always be aware of that collecting moment. So if you go through all your routine and check, do you collecting or not? For example, beginning of your Rumba, you stay, always start from collecting position. Then you have your arm. So for example, you did all of that. The first thing what's gonna happen for your feet is collect, then you step back. Collect, then you step back. Replace. Collect, then you step forward. Collect. Step forward, collect, forward. And before going to the fan, you collect first. Then you go into fan. Collecting, staying tight. So collecting feet is extremely important. Say if you're doing, I don't know, samba, batafogo, instead of just crossing like this, always for the girls specifically, pay attention that as you start coming up, you're collecting here, then you're going into that vaulter position, collecting here, then going side, collecting, then going into the volta position, collecting, then going side. Then your dance and your feet look extremely elegant, especially for the ladies. So collecting feet,